In this video, I'm going to introduce you to this new innovative technique which is called as ZipLoRA. ZipLoRA enables us in merging style and subject LoRas for generative models using a zipper-like approach. What it does is it leverages STXL's style learning, sparsity in LoRa matrices, and alignment in weight matrix columns, which enhances generation quality while capturing both subject and style accurately, as you can see on your screen in few of the examples from their research paper. Now you can see that multiple LoRas are being merged together to create that zipping effect. In, for example, here we have content LoRa and then we have style LoRa, and then we also have some style images and which are being merged with the content images, and the results are quite magnificent, as you can see in this screen, where dog in style, dog playing with a ball in style, sleeping dog in style, and then so on and so forth. And there are various other examples which are present on this project page. Now the thing is that the methods for fine-tuning generative models for concept-driven personalization generally achieve strong results for subject-driven or style-driven generation as per their abstract. As recently as maybe last month, low-rank adaptations or LoRa have been proposed as a parameter-efficient way of achieving concept-driven personalization. And that is where this new ZipLoRa really shines. It is a method to cheaply and effectively merge independently trained style and subject LoRas in order to achieve generation of any user provided subject in any user provided style. I know it's a tall claim, but if you look at this project page, it seems that it is possible. And they have done experiments and on a wide range of subject and style combinations for that matter, and that shows that ZipLoRa can generate compelling results with meaningful improvements over baseline, both in subject and style fidelity. If you want to delve deeper into this research, I will drop the link to this paper in video's description, which you can read along. And there are a lot of examples as how they achieved it, what is the related work, and I would say it is quite nicely written, bit dense, but still good enough to understand what is happening. And on this page or section 3.2, they discuss how exactly ZipLoRa works. So this is it, guys. I just wanted to share this research. If you have any further questions or if you're already using it, let me know your thoughts. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.